Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this fall wreath. I love fall. It is my favorite time of the year. So fall decorations, of course, are amazing. So this comes in this nice little package. Of course, it's packaged, so you will have to fluff it a little bit. But this has string lights, it has little pumpkins, and we can hang this up wherever you want to have it, whether it's on your front door, on the wall. This is going to be great. So I'm going to bring you in here close, and we will take a look at this beautiful wreath. Now this is all adjustable, so you will want to make sure that you fluff it up a little bit and just show just that realistic looking wreath to it with the leaves and the pine cones and berries. And then we have these little pumpkins that we will stick in here as well, just to add that extra pretty to it. So we'll find little areas. The pumpkins do have a little hole down at the bottom that we will just shove that in there. And then we do have our string lights that has a timer on it. Now it doesn't have a batteries that come with it, but right here they have it corded to the side. So we can add in our 2 AA batteries right here on the side to be able to turn on the 30 string lights that are on here to make this thing just really pop. All right, so now that I've got this all fluffed out, see, we're right at about 22 inches, maybe a little bit more because I have fluffed it up pretty big here, but it's a nice size. So let's go ahead and get our batteries in here, and then we will get this all hung up. So now I've got the batteries in it, and these lights look so pretty. Now on the back of the wreath, it does have a little hook right here, which makes it really easy to hang up. So we can just put it anywhere we want to have it for a nice fall decoration. And with these lights, it does have a 6-hour timer on it. So we can turn that on, have it ready for the time that we want it, and then enjoy the nice fall decoration.